Yeah, that one. I wouldn't stand between it so they don't back over y'all.
What's wrong with it?
He's repoing it, I guess, but there's someone in it. I don't know how good it was going to go. I was writing up warrants.
Car 334.
Go ahead, sir.
We did 14 on this 438 in fact. Move back in.
Okay, thank you.
She's how old? Well, I've been sitting here for a while, and I never saw anybody get out of the driver's seat. I saw your mom come back and get a wallet out of here, but I never saw anybody get out of the driver's seat. So when did you slide into the driver's seat? I was here when y'all pulled up. You understand that, right? I didn't see anybody get out of the driver's seat. Okay. So your mom slid. She drove here. You slid over top of her? You just said you know, right?
I know I'm in. She's inside doing the video.
I understand exactly what she's doing. But you're going to step out of the car, okay? He's got paperwork that...
Stuff we need out here first.
As you step out and make sure it's not running, we'll let you get whatever you need to get out of it. But just turn it off for us, alright?
You can't go get mama?
I mean, we'll stay right here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm taking out warrants. I wasn't even here for this. Just go ahead and hand him the keys real quick. And yes, he definitely doesn't need him taken off before your mom knows what's going on here, okay? Your VIN match? I'm sorry?
They've been running from the rent all the week. Here's my record right there from the Ruby Avenue.
Sweetheart, go ahead and show. Sweetheart, go ahead and shut it off for me. I'm not talking to myself. Shut off the car.
I am. Hold on.
Not really, because the keys aren't being good. Either you can either shut it off or I'll get you out of the car and shut it off for you. Shut the car off. It don't matter. You don't get to break the law. Shut the car off. Now. We'll go ahead and handle that real quick. If you want to be stupid about it, get out of the car. Get out of the car. We're not playing. Get out of the car. Now. Lady, if I gotta put hands on you, I will. Get in the car. I got your shirt. Get real. It's on the camera.
Shirt right here.
Then get out of the car now. 1 foot out of the car now. Get out. Oh, get out. Get out of the car. Are you out of your mind?
Take some deep breaths, okay? Take some deep breaths.
Nicely telling you to get out of your car.
Okay.
Follow instructions.
Okay, take deep breaths, okay? No, just stop. Listen to him, okay?
Stop.
We'll get your mom, all right? Okay? Listen to
I'm sorry? That's fine. You need to learn how to follow instructions. Yeah, no, it seems to follow me around when it's time for me to go home. You got everything you need? Let's see if we can find their mom. What's her mom's name?
Avery Gray.
Avery Gray? Because she doesn't know how to follow instructions, ma'am. I asked her 4 times. I was, well, who else would you be talking to about that? Okay, well. Yes, ma'am. Is that your car, this Lexus over here? Okay, well, your daughter's going to jail is what your daughter's going to do because she doesn't know how to follow instructions.
She's only 14
It don't matter. Then I guess she should act like a 14-year-old and get out when authorities tell her to get out of the car.
Why?
Your car is being repossessed. I asked her 4 times nicely, get out of the car. She refused. I opened the door, told her to get out. She refused.
Hold on, let me get my stuff out of there.
That's what we were trying to do when your daughter decided to not follow instructions, okay?
Okay.
It's all on video, sweetheart. Who races? You talking to yourself now this time or you talking to me? Yeah, I thought so. No matter how old she is, follow instructions.
Can I just get my stuff out of there, my important stuff? I was insane.
Here's the deal, man. Here's what you need to understand, okay? Come over here so you don't hear all these chains, okay? Here's what you need to understand. We walked up, he spoke to your daughter and said, can you go ahead and get your stuff? She goes, can you get my stuff out? I said, absolutely. Do me a favor, shut the car off. She ignored me. I go, okay, maybe she just didn't hear me. Sweetheart, shut the car off. Kept doing it. Sweetheart, shut the car off for me. Turn the key off. I am reaching back, grabbing more stuff. I said, sweetheart, we're letting you get the stuff out. Shut the car off, and we'll let you get the stuff. There's no scared nothing. She was talking smack to me on camera, telling me she don't got to do whatever I don't want her to do.
But she probably wondering why y'all are even coming at her like
I
that.
explained it to her 3 times, ma'am, okay? Yes, ma'am.
I'm a defense attorney. I work with
Yes,
kids
please,
in the
thank
juvenile
you.
court.
Okay.
Yes,
Well, it's all on camera. I don't need to talk to you anymore.
Mommy!
She's been homeschooled. She's never even been in no trouble.
Mommy, don't.
Walk.
You don't have to hire me.
Excuse me.
What is the charge?
What is your name, ma'am?
She has all the information.
That's her DL number.
Ma'am, what is your daughter's name? You're hiring her and you tell me how heartless I was. That's fine. You guys got anything else? No. All right. Appreciate it. As soon as we get in here, we'll get them off. They wouldn't be on if you follow instructions. I'm sorry? Ignoring my lawful commands is what you were doing.
Where am I going? This way?
Yeah, it's the only door. Do you see it in front of you?
You're just oh god. For everything. I hope my mother's too, y'all.
Yeah, go ahead. It's all on camera, everything you did.
My wrist is hurting.
Well, I can't do nothing about it until we get the cuffs off. You're staying in until we get inside these doors because you obviously can't follow instructions. That's why you're in them in the first place.
Okay.
Exactly.
You the first person